Alright, welcome to Lab 18. Today we show you how to manage the local security policy. First, let's log in into the computer. Oh, We go to local security policy. It's under account policy, password policy. We will set the password length minimum of 8 character. Apply, okay. Next password 8. We put it for 60 days. Apply, okay. Next we put the password history. We put for at least 10 password. Okay. Then we move on to lockout policy. We will enable at least 4 invalid login. Okay, apply, okay. Okay, then we move on to local policy. We put audit for policy, audit logon event. We will record success and failure. Apply, okay. Now we sign out to test it. Sign out. Now we try to put in the incorrect password. Okay, incorrect. Let's try another one. Okay, now put in the correct one. Now we go to event viewer to view it. Event viewer, window lock, security. Let's pull it up. Okay, now we will find audit failure. Let's scroll down until we found one. Alright. Should be in here. Let me file quick. Oh, it's a 3 o'clock. Oh, here we go. See, it's time 134. This is what we're looking at. Failure. Click on it. It says login. Audit failure. That's how you know someone logged in with the incorrect password. Alright, that is it.